Morning, folks. We got two geese following us over here. Normally they run the other way when they see us. They're not too worried about Casey. They know he won't chase them, so they have no fear of him. And there's something new over there he wants to go look at. Busy morning, busy morning. Doing the chores. It's just a bag, bud. Come on. Come on. It's nothing. He's like, but it's a bag. It wasn't there yesterday. He's got a good memory. A little wind out today. Too much. Now we can come out. Get her walking over. Doing the chores at home. Things are a little hostile there, so it's best we're just not there. It's best that we're just not there. Pond is a little high today. We didn't get any rain, so it's kind of odd. Deer out today. Hey, Casey boy. Oh, watch where you're walking there, dude. Oh, we don't want to get in that. You're all full of burrs. And you'll be picking out of your fur for a week. Come on. Huh. Let's go. There goes your buddies. There goes your buddies. Now we're heading down to the river. There go, boy. Supposed to be very mild today. We're going to a plus 9 degrees Celsius. It's definitely not that right now. Anyways, might do another video today. Catch y'all later.